Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
It's here for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV, so it is rather on a sad note, and yeah, this story with Ebremo. Now this particular story, one of my subscribers in Melodies TV, your WhatsApp platform, and just watching story way. Ebeto hose Melodies the AC ni yesre kwahwehwe echira kwan na be man wo report nti no mebo me subscribers no mebo mo abaso ne pa kuni din me share me refi facheme but the person was in, or the person is still in the Melodies WhatsApp platform, and was send a story way emame and me ko yenhwehwe mu na menya more details on this particular story. Ayabrehosem MPP, for the founder of MPP Nasara wewu in a car crash. A day in the sea, me de a honsem nina ebebremo. Na you see, it goes down to something I said just yesterday. And na me cancer asem no man can we an accident abe. Now, obi baby say MPP Nasara then because people don't even know. Let's just educate ourselves, because me no I heard say MPP Nasara and I say ebia wono ene baya nanka mekra no I didn't really know details of how the Nasara even came about, but now mate MPP Nasara. Now MPP Nasara group no and MPP Nasara no a zongo wing of the MPP, as simple as that. Just say MPP for womoti zongo and I from Nasara inti se won't asia. That's how it is. Until Oka MPP Nasara, it is simply the zongo wing of MPP. Now, their primary role, adia womo yet pa and say womo mobilize the members of MPP, the party, within the zongo communities. Into her say MPP for a project Amazongo for nina a Nasara for ne dim waiting to because that is their field. Into bia wo ye zongo ni and I will be our free zongo our MPP ni biano. Was Nasara no ase, and I think say I don't know whether the NDC actually has that, but I think say it is very good. Say MPP womo enya nchichimusa. Now Nasara no it was conceived by this particular person, your friend Alhaji Hussein Maiga Mambodini ya monfancheme. Nti wono and actually say wo MPP sata na wo kan MPP mpenyufo no ho. Ena watena se ena wone nkrofo bi other people Hajia Memuna Yakubu your friend Hajia Farah ewo MPP mu Hajia Rufai Alhaji Rufai Alhaji Bismi ene Alhaji Sadat womu nia etena se ena moka se dabi wohwe bebi a omo free a omo youth na nkasan, because they are Alhaji ni we no ntina ya na yeka se zongo for no mostly yenkremufo na ewo ho. They wanted to mobilize people from that side until they conceived the idea of Nasara. Now, omo conceive the idea na that time no, and omo edekoto a national chairman the name that time no, the late Jake Obechi-Bilamte. Now we MPP for omo national chairman, omo the assembly kotu the name, and MPP National Executive Committee omo take decision no, omo the assembly kotu omo nim no mo so edwin hu say sa plan ya mudi be good, because MPP yanso ya won krofo e wo zongo mu pa nti se mo de zongo fo bi ba na be mobilize zongo fo na ma zongo fo no aba be hye ekuo ba akwa ase na ya address yo mu ni na ye hu ne say this is where we go. I think say e good nti no they understood. The late Jacob Echebilamte etiase ema no na the National Executive Committee of the MPP so etiase ema wo mote Nasara no as a club. Senior AC and say MPP for choose executives womonso sa until they had Nasara executives at the constituency level and they had Nasara executives at the national level. Inti asha ase no na MC constituency levels ne pen na ye adwuma. In 2018 na MPP for revise wo constitution. And because after na Nasara group na enya mbeka MPP constitution no. In 2008 and no more revise constitution no and na wo de Nasara no ebeka ho as a special wing of the MPP party. Nti enda me ne o ka say MPP Nasara, they have executives from national levels. Nti yɛmfa no sɛ MPP for wɔn yɛ national voting for executives a Nasara nso wɔn vote for Nasara executives. Nti currently onikura wɔyɛ MPP Nasara coordinator no yɛfrɛ no Abdul Aziz Futa. Em sɛ mumu bebre na obi a woni politics wɔ Ghana bia no munim Abdul Aziz Futa. And you know, this is just the brief of the MPP Nasara. So the founder of the Nasara, ni pakwa will conceive the idea of the Nasara no, or no, and away from him. Ebiana will be a name ni pakwa yeka na wansem. He's a very big inti. Won't say ni ayatre trimuache no. Ube hune said the person is a very big person in this country. MPP4 I responded to his death. Na almost your baby, be almost your man, the bedroom later. But saying ena wohuye ana ebane saying now. Once the election eba into no what happens and I say most of these politicians no na ye ma heads no enkonkogu baby baako into no ye chiche ye mo chiche omumu na once coronavirus ni into no sisia no politicians no say a large campaign ne sa rally ni nyama na enkoso into bonse bia national executive obekọ Bunu region no kwa akoye campaign wo president ankasa no nam ebia western region na vice president on na maybe a northern region into no sa no muchicho mo NDC and MPP they are doing the same thing. It's Nasara founder yi Alhaji ye kan ho asem no ono woko Volta region, so he was working in Volta region, was doing MPP campaigns and activities in Volta region ahead of the December polls. Into wo ye na dwen say minim say bia na waye adwuma na wi o se dem ba ye na dwen say wo back to in crime because in crime e no wo in crime no te ntende wo back to in crime na trese akwanhia onya aka akwanhia we free mu oye kremoni ntende ame ne o ka say ne body e wo fie e bia latest by ende ana ochina ye kwa akosie no nti Alhaji Maiga nyankopon emfa ne kra ensie ye em say he died for the party. He died working for the party. He was on party duties. Wo ba no na wojina aka enye MPP a nanko wonko Volta region say wo kwa akoye campaign in Nyama. So he died for the party. Intino MPP4 akwa publish wo their official website newpatrioticparty.org. Asemo a wo mo kan say atom so na wo mo say MPP office bia MPP flag ewo ho bia no it should fly at half mast. Na obi a wote sanyama na se no ye can say if a flag is flying at half mast ka na tre say atorenchem bi ayeden esi samo be kaya embra Ghana nyankopon fa ne kransi ye John Evans Atame so free mu no every Ghanaian flag in the country, in fact in the world, na fly at half mast. Nti ano no obi a wonim sa science and languages ne sa international relations wo hu a wo be hu say on my way bibia to no. Nti yeva ne say wo bi e wo MPP wonim asem way. Nti wonim sa half mast ade no woko MPP office no ko hu ne say MPP flag fly at half mast. Obi bisa say oh na ho na ewu. Normal catcher ne say the founder of the year MPP's Nasara ring Alhaji Maiga and we frame ya into na asemo MPP4 omo de nkrata eba they even quoted Quran chapter 2 verse 156 and wo mo tro nkrata tinti but you can go on newpatrioticparty.org and then MPP4 wo mo official website and John Buedu, who is the general secretary, was signing. Let me try to read through some of the things. So say the party accordingly extends its heartfelt condolence to his immediate family, particularly his 3 wives and 14 children. Wow. Upon Wabobra, 1 year miensa, a wamba 14. Wow. The MPP equally commiserates with his close associates and indeed with the rank and file of the party's Nasara ring for this incalculable MPP4 more pepper focus do and MPP4 Ghanaian politicians ankasa incalculable maybe I mean check it internet, let me find the pronunciation because it's as if I am not pronouncing it well. Incalculable loss. John Boy do ne brofui there. Incalculable. Let me check the pronunciation of this word.
Incalculable.
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 Incalculable. MPP for brofua or motro no incalculable no. Actually say too great to be calculated or estimated. Okay. Not able to be calculated or estimated. Not just a new one you will be a bro almost saying adie nyinaa asɛm a wɔn ka no ntumi calculate ne loss no nso obi wa ntumi calculate sɛ oni pako we say ba we die ne de wɔhwɛ a ntumi calculate. So that is what is coming through. That's the breaking news. So shout out to those in Melodies TV say WhatsApp platform no. I mean, if you draw my attention to stories like, because anya bibia na ebia ye be hu, so if you draw our attention to stories like this, I think it's all good. So Montreal Majo comment box ni mo, but that's it.